Hey guys, welcome. This is Amy with Crowned and Confident 57. If you are a subscriber to my channel, welcome back. We got a fun night tonight. Something good to share with you guys. If you are new here, I hope you find some content that you find interesting and that you hit like and subscribe. Okay, welcome. As you know, I mentioned about a month ago that I was following Elspeth Jackson, is her name. Elspeth Jackson, Elspeth, I think it is, Jackson. On YouTube, she has a channel called Ragged Life. Well, it's actually a company, Ragged Life, and it's rag rug making. And I told you I was interested in it and I was going to get the kit. Well, I ordered the kit. Now, let me tell you guys, if you're going to order this kit, okay, it took a month to come in. It wasn't Elspeth's fault. They shipped it out within 2 days. But it's coming from England, my favorite. I miss England every day from when I used to live there. Anyway, it's coming from Britain. So it took it literally, I might be exaggerating, 3 weeks. Okay. So I have waited and guess what came when I got home from work today? I came in, got comfortable, changed clothes, and I was like, oh my God, here it is. Ragged Life Rag Rug Kit. Go create. Okay, so let's talk about it. When you go to her, you order it off her website. She has a YouTube channel. You can go on there and look at it first and see if it's something you're interested in. Now, you're not just making rag rugs. You're making wreaths. You can make flowers. You can make all kinds of things with pillows, things like that. So she has different kits at various prices. I wanted to make the flowers, okay, because they're gorgeous and you can put them inside a little vase and they're just gorgeous. So I got the flower kit. But once you get the tools you need in the kit, then you can buy the other supplies from somewhere else. Now, her tools, I'm going to tell you right now, most of them are exclusive to her. So that is why I ordered this particular kit too, because it comes with her special tool, which we'll talk about when we open it. So this kit, which we haven't opened yet, but I'm going to go ahead and tell you the price. It's a little bit pricey because of the shipping. The shipping alone was almost $30. I kid you not. This is only like a $35 kit in dollars. I can't quote you on the shillings because I didn't look at that price, obviously. But this kit would have been normally 35, but it ended up being, or 45, but it ended up being like $80 by the time I ordered it with shipping. I don't know why the shipping's so outrageous, but I had to order at least once because I want that tool that is exclusive to her to use to make rag rugs. And I'm going to follow her channel. Now, I'm not saying I won't order anything else from there, but I'm going to make dang sure that I have 3 weeks patience to wait for it. All right, let's get started. Okay. So she comes in this bag before I start untying her. It says designed in the UK. I love that. Rag rug kit and Ragged Life. So that's her brand, that's her channel on YouTube, and that is her ordering site where you can order from. Follow her on Facebook. And then it says go create. And this is a nice, lovely sort of burlap bag. It's tied up with this tie. We're going to untie that. When I got it out of the box, it also had a postcard from her. This shows a picture of a rag rug. Isn't it cute? And on the back, it says you can scan the QR code and go straight to the workshops page. And it has her website. Let's see if you can see it. www.raggedlife.com. Love it. In the picture, you can also see another example of a rag rug. You can see the fluffy, shaggy, super shaggy, or the flatter, tighter, hooked rug. Let's open her up. Okay. Oh, she's a drawstring. Oh, nice bag to keep stuff in. Lots of goodies in here. Let me show you inside. Lots of goodies. This is to make the flowers. Again, this is the flower kit. So you've got your dowel rods. Okay. These are to put the flowers on. Okay. You've got your already mapped out flower material, and it's burlap, but it's sewn so it doesn't, you can tell the edges are sewn. It's not going to come apart on you. She's already got it pre-marked. And of course, it has that lovely natural burlap smell. But the edges are sewn, so it's not going to come apart on you. As you can see, it's already stamped of what we're going to be doing. And it's quite clever, actually. It's not stamped. It's actually, that's stitched. What? Can you see the little bitty stitches? How clever. So we're going to pull through there, but I want to find this tool. I can't wait to see this tool. Okay, keep going. Here we go. This is it. Okay, this is called the spring tool. Guys, they don't even have this on Amazon. If I'm not mistaken, I think I'm correct when I tell you that she created this, that her family created it, this tool. And it's better than a latch hook to pull the rugs through the burlap. So let's open her up. On the back, it says a free tutorial. You can scan it and it tells you how to use it. And if you go to her site, she has the workshops, of course. As you can see, by the way, while I'm opening this box, which takes a college degree, I am wearing my natural hair. This is my natural hair, and I cut it off. It had grown out a lot, but I couldn't take it. I just cut it off, and I like it much better. So I'm not wearing my glamorous wigs right now. It's just too hot. It's uncomfortable. And I decided to be just with my natural hair. I can't get this box open. These boxes are so good. Now, there you go. So excited about this tool, guys. I really am. Okay, here we go. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, there's all kinds of stuff. Okay, be careful when you're pulling it out. This is a cleaning cloth, I'm pretty sure. Oil. This tool may have a small amount of oil. Oh yeah, I feel it. Oil residue on it. While in storage and transit, before using it, please use the included cloth to wipe off the excess oil. Well, let's do that before we even look at it. Oh, wow, this tool is super cool, guys. Super cool. Man. Again, this is called and it has a little lid in it too, which we'll put on a cap for it. So it comes with a cloth. We're going to shine it up, get the oil off. Let's make sure we go inside. This is the coolest. Oh, I'm so glad I ordered this. This is going to make things so much nicer than just a latch hook tool. All right. Okay, let's talk about it. All right, it's got at the bottom Ragged Life. Okay, it's got her logo, and on the handle RL, if you can see it. Okay, now this has a spring hinge. You see that spring? She does have those where you can replace it, and it just goes like this. So the idea, this is lovely, wooden handle. So lovely. Okay, so the idea is you have your cloth. You stick it through, grab it, and pull it through, which I will demo for you when I actually start to make the flowers, okay? So it has a lid. Look at that, to keep it. But I mean, guys, instead of having a hook and the latch and all that, you just stick this in and pull it out. That's it. Very cute. Very, very, very cool. I've waited and waited for this tool. Exclusive to Ragged Life. As far as I know, that's what I gathered from watching it. Come with your little cleaning cloth for your tool, which we've used. Okay, let's put our lid back so we don't get all messed up. Oh yeah, it had a bunch of oil on it. Oh yeah. Keep going in the bag now. Okay, what's this? Okay, this is a cutting gauge. I'm going to show you what that tool is. It's for fabric, and it's supposed to make it easier for your cutting to cut a straight line, so to speak. And what you do, oh, love it. Rag rug cutting gauge, okay? And it's got her ragged life. Okay, so it's got a slit here. And so say you take your fabric and you put it across like this. Say you've got a whole sheet and you lay it there. You just insert your scissors here and it shows you, and then you run them along in the slit and you're cutting a straight line. It shows you on the back some different types: medium fabric width, thick fabric width, thin. So we've got that for cutting our fabric. Very nice. I love the boxes. The boxes she has them in, they're kind of recycled boxes. You hate to throw them away. Okay, there are some other things. Hold on. Aha, we have our marker. We have our marker. Oh, yes, this is lovely. This is a permanent marker now. This is a permanent marker for fabric. And she sent me booklets. And this, of course, this marker is, has her name on it. Okay, so you get some booklets here. Well, we've got a couple of the cards. Cure companion, free bonus content. She gives you that. There's a card in there with free bonus content on her channel. Here's what I'm looking at. The bouquet instructions. Okay, so get a good gander at this picture, y'all. This is what they're going to look like when they're finished with the flowers and you put them on top of the dowel rods, and then you can stick them in any kind of vase and it's going to look like this. I mean, these are gorgeous. Let's open it up. This is how to make them. And there's some pretty spring colors there, and you can see where they're on the dowel rod. I bet you could even make a wedding bouquet with this. I'm sure. There is Elspeth right here. That's wonderful. Has practical tips, design tips. Whole thing stretches out, all about it. The flowers. I think this is going to be such fun, guys. So much fun. Creating the flowers shows you how. So, I mean, really cute. Okay, this fabric, that's what they call it, Hessian. So, it comes with the Hessian. It comes with the wooden flower stalks, which is like little dowel rods to me. I do not have the glue gun. Oh, probably have to get a glue gun. I should have a glue gun, but I don't know what I did with it. So I can't wait to just sink into this. It's going to be great. I don't quite know what I'm doing, but I will get on here and show you all about it once I do. You also get a book, Rag Rug Techniques. This is going to bring you into the rugs. Of course, you'll need to get you some more of this type of Hessian. Look, you can even do little things around the baskets. I mean, it's just wonderful, guys. It's just, she shows you how to cut with your tool, that the gauge that I just showed you, how you wrap the fabric all the way around it and then you cut it down the middle. That creates your, then she shows you with your latch hook. If you have a latch hook, she shows you the shaggy technique. I love this book. It shows you each one. Short shagging. You can see where she's using her tool there. Where she puts it through. See that? And pulls it. And this is how it comes out. Isn't that cool, y'all? Then it shows you the loopy technique. So each page shows you the different ways that you can make a rug. Here's the latch hook loopy. Now this is if you have your latch hooks, which I've got a couple of those, and you can do it that way too. And you can see here in the pictures where the latch hook goes through the fabric, through the hessian, and then she pulls it through. It's just so cool, y'all. What? Lots in this kit. I've got all my booklets. You even have a couple of pieces of strips that she's included in this kit. This bag, I am in love with this. You just drawstring it and go. Like, say you wanted to go somewhere, sit outside or something. You just throw your little tools in here as such, and then you drawstring it and you can go rag making. What a great, great deal. Okay, so yes, it is a little more higher of a price point, but it's worth it, guys, because I'm telling you, these tools, I mean, she's got some nice tools. I wanted to get at least these two, and that's why I got this kit as well. But also because I can make the rugs later, I want to start with the flowers. Not that that's going to be easier, but I had a feeling it might, for me, be a little bit easier. Smaller scale project, you know, to try that. I'm going to keep my little cloth in here, and I'm going to put it in my little bag. So I will store this all in here. When I get started, and once I know what I'm doing, I will come make a second video. This is going on my sewing table. I will do that for you guys. And tonight, I'm actually going to start this. So I will be doing this not in here in the craft room office. I'm going to do it in my recliner chair because it was a long day at work. Okay, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that this is going to be as fun as I think it is. I will come on, and like I said, I will come back on and give you a kind of tips and tricks and reviews later, or updates. That's what I mean. Updates on the little tools and the projects that I'm working on. And so let me first get the hang of it, and I will be back on to show you some stuff. And I hope that you enjoyed this video and that we are able to do a lot of fun projects together. I also have some sewing that I've done, and I'm really advancing in my sewing. I have a long way to go, but I have my machine now. So we will be doing a video on that separately at another time. I hope you enjoyed this video. Go check out Ragged Life and check it out with Elspeth and see if you're interested. Just keep in mind, it takes a while to get from there, from England to wherever you're at in the US, but I'm way down at the bottom. So it took a while to get here. All right, guys, enjoy yourself and stay crowned and confident. We'll see you next time. Bye.